Uh, Hello everyone. Today we are going to start part 3, third variety of the problem. This third variety of the problem I call it as manpower problem. Okay. Yeah, you must have seen questions like if 3 men, 4 boys, 5 women they do a certain amount of work in 5 days, then X number of men, Y number of women, and Z number of boys can complete the same work in how many number of days. This is the variety, and this is basically similar to part 1 that we had solved. Part 1 is very important because most of the questions come from part 1. Okay, so let's find out. See, this is very simple question. Just look at the question. How many days? If 2 men or 3 women or 4 boys can do a piece of work in 49 days, 3 men, 4 women, and 5 boys together can complete the same piece of work in how many days? It's very simple. Like we solved part 1 problems, similarly this can be solved. Given thing is given 2 men, 49 days, 3 women, 49 days, 4 boys, they also take 49 days. So if 2 men takes 49 days to complete the same piece of work, 1 man would take how many number of days? Obviously 2 into 49, 1 woman, 3 into 49, 3 people are working together, they take 49 days. Only one would work 3 times number of days. How much? 4 into 49 number of days. So the trick to these kind of problems is find out the LCM as we had done earlier. 2 into 49, 3 into 49, 4 into 49, 49 is common. Find out the LCM between 2, 3, 4. 3 to the 6 to the 12. 12 into 49 is the LCM. Okay, this many parts. We found out the total work, right? Did you follow this? See, 1 man would take 2 into 49 number of days to complete the total work. 1 woman would take 3 into 49 number of days to complete the total amount of work. 1 boy would take 4 into 49 number of days to complete the whole work. So if we find out the LCM among these three, twice 49, see how I took out 49 as a common part beforehand. 2 into 49, 3 into 49, 4 into 49. So finding out the LCM, and I multiplied it 49 total. Okay, so 12 into 6 to the 12 into 49 parts is the total amount of work. If this is the total amount of work in one day, like we found out earlier, we have solved these questions earlier, similar question. In one day, if total work is 49 parts, 2 into 49, 6 parts. 1 man could complete 6 parts of the work in one day. 1 woman can solve 4 parts. 1 boy can solve 3 parts of the work, can do 3 parts of the work in one day. Okay, so we need to find out is 3 men plus 4 women plus 5 boys. They have to complete this much amount of work in how many days? Okay, if 3 men plus 4 women plus 5 boys. Okay, these many people are working. We can find out one day's work. 3 men, 1 man can do 6 parts to work. 3 men can do 18 parts. 6 3 is 18 plus 4 men can, 1 woman can do 4 parts of the work. 4 women can do 16 parts, right? Similarly, 1 boy can do 3 parts of the work in one day. 5 boys can do 15 parts, right? Are you following? See, this is very simple. Sum it up and divide it with total work. Number of days you can find out. 18 plus 16, how much? 20, 30, 34. 34 plus 15 is 49 parts. Oh, it's very easily divisible too. So total number of days taken by 3 men, 4 women and 5 boys equals to 12 into 49 parts divided by 49 parts. 12 days. Followed? Very simple. See, we needed to find out 1 man, how many days 1 man would take to complete the total amount of work. 1 man, 1 woman, 1 boy, and this becomes simpler. The question given is 3 men, 4 women and 5 boys. How many days would they take to complete this work together? So our approach should be, in one day how much work is completed from the total amount of work. Similarly, for 3 men, 3 times. 4 women, 4 times of one day work. 5 boys, 5 times of one day's work, 15. Okay, sum it up. This is the total amount of work in one day. So in 12 days they could complete the total amount of work. Okay, followed? Let's solve one more question. So the question given here is 4 men and 6 women, they take 8 days to complete a certain amount of work. 3 men and 7 women, they take 10 days to complete the same piece of work. Okay, so our approach should be total manpower in this case. See, if 4 men and 6 women, they work for 8 days, that implies 8 times 4 men and 6 women equals to 10 times 3 men and 7 women, right? Isn't it? See, if work is W is fixed, this variable, we already know M1 D1 equals to M2 D2, as simple as that. This is total men, we refer it as M1. 6 women plus 4 men into D1, 8 days equals to 10 days into 3 men plus 7 men. Very simple. Solve it. That implies 32 men plus 48 women equals to 30 men plus 70 women. Find out men in terms of women. So here 2 men is equals to 22 women, 1 man equals to 11 women. That is, 1 man is equivalent to 11 women. Okay, you following? See, from this equation we found out that M is equals to 11W. If 4 men and 6 women work for 8 days to complete a certain amount of work, and 3 men and 7 women they take 10 days to complete the same amount of work, we could find out, we could derive that 1 man is equivalent to 11 women. If 1 man can work, he could do same amount of work as 11 women would do. Okay, once you find out this equation, you can solve the question. See, the question could be in how many days 10 women can complete the work. Okay, the same amount of work that 3 men and 7 women take 10 days. If 10 women would work, how many days would they take? Very easy. See, use this in any of this equation. 4 men plus 6 women take 8 days. 4 men means 11 into 4. 4 men plus 6 women takes 8 days. 4 men means 44 men, sorry, 11 into 4, 44 women plus 6 women, they take 8 days. 50 women take 8 days to complete a certain amount of work. 10 women, number of days, simple, M1 D1 equals to M2 D2, as W is fixed, right? Isn't it? So 50 into 8 equals 10 into D. That implies D is equals to 40 days. 10 women take 40 days to complete the same amount of work. Similarly, we could find out if this is the, we could first thing is find out the relation between men and women. If one man is similar to 11 women, we can substitute in any of these two equations and solve to our purpose. Suppose if the question is the question could be, instead of 10 women, suppose how many number of days would 10 men take to complete the same amount of work? Question could be this also, isn't it? If 6 women, we need to replace W as M by 11. How is this? 4 men plus M by 11 W. 6 into M by 11, they take 8 days. 50 M by 11, they take 8 days. Suppose our question is 5 men, X days, 50 M by 11 into 8, 5 into X. X is equals to 80 by 11 number of days. Seven days and 3 by 11 day plus 3 by 11. Okay. Actually, this is a very important question. It is very simple also. We know 4 men 6 women takes 8 days, 3 men and 7 women take 10 days. So find out the equation between those two. Okay, if one man is equivalent to 11 women, we can solve easily. If 10 men requires 10 women, can solve it in 40 days. Okay, are you following? See, after this part 4, I will be taking another video for problem solving. There I would discuss around approximately 10 number of problems from each variety. So if there is a little bit sort of confidence regarding number of problems, you can have it there. Okay.